put your hands together for Sound of Sirens.
Hello. There's a wasp to greet me. Sorry, that was a little scream for everyone there. Hopefully that just stays away. You've got our t-shirts on. Yay! Well, that's a good way to start. Thanks, lady.
It's a good hangover feel.
Okay, we're going to start with this song. It's called The Confession.
2, 3.
I've got to untune my guitar. Okay, ready? 2, 3.
We were talking, sharing stories in the dark. But you were stolen, taken oh so very far. And you went crawling to a place I couldn't find. I'll keep on searching, I will not be left behind. Standing in the doorway of tomorrow, let's fight the morning and let's hold the dark. Let's use your dreams alone to map our story. In your sleep again, I can't pretend to understand. Let's use your dreams alone to find the path. Every word's impossible, yet every word's a part of it. And I am reaching, breaking mirrors in the sky. Pulling starlight out of the corner of your eye. We have no choice to fear the fight of time. And to the other side, to wait the turn and find my frown. I'm inside your sweet and absent night. You on the better side and we can sit and criticize. Standing in the doorway of tomorrow, let's fight the morning and let's hold the dark. Tell the lies, accept the reasons why. We have a lot that you cannot signify. I'm inside your sweet and absent mind. You on the better side and we can sit and criticize. And I don't care that there's no place I cannot find. I'll keep on searching and I will not be left behind. We have no choice to be a fight of time. Tell the other side to wait the turn and find my path. I'm inside your sweet and absent mind. You on the better side and we can sit and criticize. Don't chain me down, stay close so I'll be found in the dark and all doubts will be drowned inside your. Oh, chain me down, stay close so I'll be found in the dark and all doubts will be drowned inside your. Oh, chain me down, stay close so I'll be found in the dark and all doubts will be drowned inside your. Oh, chain me down, stay close so I'll be found in the dark and all doubts will be drowned inside your heart. Thank you. Bye.
Well, the wasps have gone into my gin and they're in a little drunken sort of swimming pool down there, which is good. How's your gin over there? Is it free of wasps?
Mine's free of wasps.
Gutted, I'm gutted.
Maybe if they're drunk, they won't sting.
So I should just risk it. Okay. We're going to play a song called The Yellow Road. And it's all about choice. Come on, blue sky. Okay. 1,
break me. Tonight, save the day, show me all my wicked ways. Oh Lord, save me. 'Cause you let me fall on the yellow road, and I heard it all, this life I ever told. And I built that wall so I couldn't run. In a quiet storm I came undone. I used my heart to feel the sun, and I won't stop now 'cause I've only just begun. The wreckage of the fairy tale or eternal youth. In dreaming dark skies like tell such ugly truth. Give me and show me all I need is to believe. Oh Lord, forsake me. Your love will break me. Leave me on if I have you. Only have myself to lose. Oh Lord, forsake me. 'Cause you let me fall on the yellow road, and I had it all, this life I ever told. And I built that wall so I couldn't run. In a quiet storm I came undone. I used my heart to feel the sun, and I won't stop now 'cause I've only just begun. Oh, don't go, oh, I know. Oh, don't go, oh, I know. Oh, I'm sick, you are, oh, I'm the way I go, alone in my mind. Oh, you're all I know. Oh, I will seek you out. Oh, I know where you hide. Oh, you're all I know. 'Cause you let me fall on the yellow road, and I had it all, this life I ever told. And I built that wall so I couldn't run. In a quiet storm I came undone. I used my heart to feel the sun, and I won't stop now 'cause I've only just begun. Yes.
Okay, we're going to play a fitting song for lots of people. It's called Together Alone.
Yeah, you know you do. Hi everyone.
I feel your absence in the light. Only you can make it better. Wishing away these dusty days. Just know we're all in this together. Push through and see your worth. Find faith in all that's cursed. If you believe it, so will we. And you can live out all your dreams. Time is never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can. Bolder than your master plan. For we are strong, we all belong, and all we have is find the chance you wish to see. It's the same for you and me. Say it when you feel it. Concentrate real bravery. Go and break your boundaries. Go and sail across that sea. Beyond the road, so soon your time will come. Take that idea and go run. Time is never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can. Older than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, and all we have is we're all alone in this together. Together alone, we all belong, and all we have is we're all alone in this together. Together alone, we all belong, and all we have is push through and see your worth. Find faith in all its cost. If you believe it, so will we. And you can live out all your dreams. Go and climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, and all we have, we're all alone in this together, together alone. We're all in this, we're all alone in this together, together alone. We're all in this, we're all alone in this together, together alone. We're all in this, we're all alone in this together, together alone. We're all in this, we're all alone in this together, together alone. We're all in this, we're all alone in this together, together alone. We're all in this. Time is never too much. Time, whatever on our minds, we try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. We are strong, we all belong, all we have is time. Is never too much. Time, forever on our minds, we try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. For we are strong, we all belong, and all we have is time.
Thanks, guys. You look amazing. We have actually got merch down here that Woody's selling. Oh,
Vinyls.
oh,
We wondered where they'd gone. And we've got stickers.
we've got free stickers. There's no catch. From Martin, wherever you are, thank you for the stickers.
I do love a free sticker, to be fair. I'm quite
love a
excited
free
about that.
sticker.
I almost don't want to give them away. Let's keep them all.
I'm hoping that they have free shoes here, because I haven't bought ones.
You haven't bought any
I
shoes.
know I've got some, but they're bright green. So
Hugo does it. Hugo rocks it with style.
that's true.
Embrace it.
If anyone's got a spare pair of wellies, that'd be good.
We're playing a new song, and it's called Lie Awake. And it's a nice, positive, uplifting song about leaving your worries to one side. You won't have brought your worries here today anyway. We have a new album coming out, and this is one of the songs on it.
We lie awake at night and we wonder why we have to break inside to appreciate this ride. You stand there alone, we have no home, having some fun. Now the rivers will take control over any doubt that you hold in your hand. You join close in mine, and to my surprise, could I be falling for those eyes? Without forgetting pain, there's no more self. Even the shame is here in everything else. I fear can hold on for one more year. I'll stop worrying about it, let my mind be still. All this worrying will change what's at the top of the hill. I'll stop worrying about it, let my mind be still. All this worrying will change what's at the top of the hill. Your eyes on mine, so down, light up inside. Today, nothing can take away the wonder that we create. Over everything else, it can hold on for one more year. In our there's no more shame. It's here, everything else I feel can hold on for one more year. Forgetting the pain and now you left to shame away. Forgetting the pain inside you left to shame. It's here, everything else I feel can hold on for one more year. I'll stop worrying about it, let my mind be still. All this worry will change what's at the top of the hill. I'll stop worrying about it, let my mind be still. All this worry will change what's at the top of this hill. Thank you. Thanks, guys. This is definitely the best pub in the park so far. Woo! And you're keeping the rain away. With your rain dancing. Although that encourages rain, doesn't it? Don't do that. Stay completely still and don't smile. No, don't do that. Okay, this is another happy one. As we get asked to play weddings a lot, and we realise that we have a lot of breakups in our songs. So we wrote a happy one, and it's called Every Time. I can't say it out loud. I'm the luckiest girl in the world since you came back. I know, 'cause I pinch myself to see if it's real. It's real. I think we might be learning how to trust. I feel in time, I don't want that much. I don't know where this is going, but I know whatever happens, our love will be gold. And I'm willing to take on the weight of the world to save you from your pain. And I'm willing to walk to the edge of the earth to hear you call my name. We've been bitten and bruised, but we've always pursued. And every time I come back to you, I'll come back to you. If I could make just one wish, I'd close my eyes and it would be this. I was never myself, I was never what I wanted to be. But this time will show us how. And this time right now, I'm willing to take on the weight of the world to save you from your pain. I'm willing to walk to the edge of the earth to hear you call my name. We've been bitten and bruised, but we always pursue. And every time I come back to you, I'll come back to you. This time I'm feeling a change 'cause we grow. This time it all seems to work now. Use your heart, everything's changing right now. Our love's rearranging somehow. This time it will be better. This is a song called Next Year, and it requires a bit of audience participation. But you look like an audience that are willing to do that.
Some of you are already on the gin.
Yeah, so you'll be, what we require is for you to fall down. So if you've had enough of the lovely gin and all the goodies, toffee vodka over that way, that was really nice. If you've been hitting the samples like we have, then you might be close to falling down anyway. If not, improvise. There's 3, we get the line 3 times, we all fall down, darling, and we need everybody to duck down and then jump back up. And it needs to progressively build.
And if you all come a bit closer, then we won't be able to see you individually fall down. So you'll be shouted, so we doesn't worry.
If you're stood closer to one another, then you can just encourage the fall down by bowling others over.
Season is swallowed by duty. Tie knots around those with restless mind. Their voices of pride get choked by the ribbons of envy. Suffocate dreams and replace them with questions of why.
Are you ready? I mean, you have to stay down. It can't just be like a bob. Okay, that's not bad. I'd say that's like 15%, Han. That's not so bad. I mean, we've got time to work on this.
But you'll get up. Break paper chains, turn the tables you're wasting. I'll pack out the old things and sheltered and fix up my heart. I'll get the way with its freedom that's given us wonder. This life owes me nothing, that's something I know from the start. We all fall down, darling.
Ooh, that's about 50%.
But you'll get up. I'd say that was maybe even 60.
Okay, we've got 1 to go. I mean, you're only letting yourselves down at the end of the day.
And if you don't crash down, you have to contact me down solo. Patiently we're wishing hours away, we remember to make space in our lives for the peace that the morning may bring. We wait with our hearts full of hope and childish magic. And the lesson we learn is that presents are people, not things. We all fall down, darling.
Looks like some of you were blown down. And we all know. Just teasing. And we all stand up. It's not too late to start again. On tonight, my friend. Please, come and no way home. You will shine and we will love you more than and hope for love and fight for hope to live and live to love again.
stole every piece of my heart. Thank you guys for joining in.
You're awesome.
Okay, this is another new song called The Order.
Next year's Pub in the Park, we will have this on a CD. We have other ones on CDs.
We've also
But not
got
this
tea
one.
towels for sale. And seeing as this is a big music and food festival, you probably have not brought your tea towels with you, which is a rookie error. And so we can provide those over here. We've got a selection of tea towels being modelled lovely over here.
You
Or
can
they
make flags,
Yeah, flags.
cushions if you sew them together.
Yeah, they can. It was a very good idea, Hannah. That was what you call upselling.
Thanks, mate. Thanks, means a lot.
Okay, this is called The Order. Defenses were down in the darkness between us. Abandon those feelings. You know you can't keep them. To the floor in this war I created. I tried not to listen, but your mouth dictated. I gave you my reasons. You make me so weary-eyed. You decide we collide. I push to my limits. You make me feel different. Perfectly pure. You always were persistent. So full of wonder. Consider this. Now you try. Step aside. To be denied. Out to the darkness we go. Lately unknown, disregard control. The order we know, the chaos is blown into this world that we call home. Reality blinds me, I can't see your face. Oceans apart with a heart so disgraced, a body so broken, a mind full of better days. It's just a fate. Far away down to the darkness we go. Claim the unknown. Disregard control. The order we know. The chaos is blown into this world that we call home. Make me see through. Help me undo. Break me gently. Undo, break me, gently take me down to the darkness we go, claim the unknown, disregard control, the order we know, the chaos is blown into this world that we call home. Fences were down in the darkness between us. Abandon those feelings. You know you can't keep them.
Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you so
You've been
much,
amazing.
Adele. We're going to leave you with one song now, and we're inviting our lovely friend Semantics to come and join us. This is a song called The Voices. And we've been following a mental health campaign called #ItAffectsMe, which encourages people just to talk and share and communicate and stop the stigma attached to mental health, which we think is fab. And everybody needs to look at this campaign because it's doing brilliant things. So we were inspired to write this song about the little voices in our heads that we all have from time to time that hold us back.
And we're going to dedicate this one to Andy, who is amazing, and we've decided to run the London Marathon next year,
And
which we're not scared about at all.
what have we
We
done?
are.
And we're
gonna-
raising
we're
money
gonna-
for Mind. Oh, sorry, Han.
We're going to record this. That's it.
So yeah, we're raising money for Mind, and this song will be available to buy, and all the proceeds will go to Mind. So this is Semantics. This is The Voices. Thank you so much, everyone. There's a small Voice in every one of us that talks on our behalf and shouts out all our faults. It's a long life to listen to the lines they write, and they're wrong. We can all be strong when they expect us to be straight. We won't bite it all their babe. We can find use in all of the mistakes they make. So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds. Scream and tear it down, we shout, what's this all about? We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide. We live the lie, we yearn, we grow to learn to shake off the monsters and run, run, run for your life. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. It's an unkind world we're lost within, when the walls are closing in and the chances disappear. In this wonderful world, we'll never know just why we're here. Hold on to every part of you, for the demons in the dark play games within your heart. Let it go, end it now so you can start. We open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds. Scream and tear it down and shout, what's this all about? We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide. We live the lie, we yearn, we grow to learn to shake off the monsters and run, run, run for your lives. There's a mad dog on his way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. Have fun, fun, have as much as you please. Make it big, make it fight, bring it down to its knees. Do it all your own. We can fly this hill together. I can't do this on my own.
These voices I hear haunt me, tease me, beat me up and pull me to sports and all my thoughts so often taunt and keep me fooling, causing me to doubt myself, convincing me I'm pointless. Voices always screaming, leave me bleeding, keep me joyless. I can't escape, I try to run but cannot hide. No matter where I run to, though they're always in my mind, locked up inside. No way to make them leave, they amplify every doubt I have about myself. They thrive on spreading lies. I don't know if I'll make it on my own. Just me versus the monster as it craves to take control. Invisible to others, so it grows but isn't shown. It's hard to fight the monster when you're fighting it alone. The thing is the most is showing others that it's there. Tries to make you scared to share, convince you no one cares. It's just cause it's aware that there's no way that it can beat you. Open up yourself and call for help, it can't defeat you.
So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds. Scream and tear it down and shout, what's this all about? Speak this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide. We live a lie, we yearn, we grow to learn to shake off the monsters and run, run, run for your life. And I'm mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. Have fun, fun, have as much as you please. Make it play, make it fight, bring it down to its knees. Do it all your everybody.
Thank you, you're amazing.
I'm going to come join you on that side, but please come and say hello to us down here. Have a brilliant day.
Yeah, have an amazing one. See you at the bar.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Sound of the Sirens.